Hi, welcome back to Reporting. I'm really glad you're here and that you've stayed with this journey step by step. We've moved through quite a bit together, noticing when something feels too tight, understanding what it means to be root bound. We've even gently loosened what's been held and sitting in that in between space where things feel a little uncertain. We are now moving into the second movement, and now we find ourselves somewhere new. After a plant is lifted and the roots are exposed, the roots are loosened, it's placed into new soil. Fresh space, it has fresh ground, and the plant has room. It has room to grow again. But this moment is often quieter than we expect. There is no instant flourishing, no clear sense of direction, just being placed. The roots are still adjusting. They are learning how to reach again in unfamiliar ground. They're learning how to settle without yet knowing what will hold. Taking in what's new and taking in what's new slowly. And this is where something important happens. And that is something we don't always notice. Because after change, we often expect clarity. You know, we expect to feel a certain way, we expect to feel settled, we even expect to feel fully formed. But often, it just feels different. I've noticed that sometimes when I have stepped into something new, there isn't a clear sense of what it is yet. Only a quiet awareness that I am no longer where I once was. And different can feel uncomfortable. Different can feel unfamiliar and even uncertain. But different doesn't mean something has gone wrong. It may simply mean that something new is still taking root, that you are still learning how to be here. So maybe today you can give yourself permission to not rush into growth. Give yourself permission to not measure where you are too quickly, but to simply remain in what is new. You need to allow yourself to adjust, to rest, to become familiar with this space before having any expectations of it. Because what is meant to grow hair will not require force. What is meant to grow hair will unfold in its own time. And even now, in this quiet place, something is beginning. Something is beginning. Hmm. Thank you for being here and for allowing yourself to move through this process gently. This is Repotting, and this is a space to begin again.